Every career has its ups and downs, and there are times that you may feel that you want to intervene, to take action and give it a boost. How do you decide when it's time for reinvention? How do you know what you want to reinvent into? And most importantly, how do you actually get it done? What are the steps that you take to enact a successful reinvention?
Of your time connecting first before going through the review. It sounds like it's not efficient, but it's actually the most efficient way to do this. Why? Because then the list of action items and discussion points go.
I'll show you how to think big about your professional goals, take control of your career, build the reputation you want, and live the life and career you desire.